Hello, welcome to IQTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys that how we can use Autoshape to explain different things in Microsoft Word. So let's move towards the main topic. So just first of all, open Microsoft Word, just pressing the window button and write down here Word, and here's Microsoft Word install. If you have not, so better to install first of all in your PC, then you can use it out. So let's make it little bigger. Just go to view and then page width. It's okay. Now you can see here. So different things we do in Microsoft Word to explain something. It's better to use Autoshape to make people understand quickly and fastly. So how we can use Autoshape in our different expressions. So today let's suppose I want to say something like I travel. Okay, so okay, just sports. Now I want to say something here. Just press a button here, or maybe just take here and make it little bigger. Then press tab button to make some space in this between I and sports. And I like and I love sports. So how can I explain, how can I put an expression through Autoshape here? So just go there, click on insert tab, and here we have Autoshape button. Click here for shapes, and here the more suitable thing is heart here. So I go and click on here and then drag here just like this, and now you can see and still you can change the color. Just go to the shape, fill, and then red color if you want. If you want the border line also remove or red color, so go outline, no outline. Now you can see here I love sports. You don't need to write here I love and something. It's more attractive, people can understand more quickly. So next what we have, like Autoshape here. Lots of Autoshape, you can use any Autoshape for purpose. Like right now, if I take this explosion, just take here, and then I would like to say something here like the red color, a yellow color, maybe outline. Want to remove or change any other color. Just I don't want any outline, so click here. And then if you want write something in the middle of this Autoshape, so how you can just click here and then right click here and then add text. There is a add text option, and now you can see here, for example, I want to say 50% off, 50% off offer. So then we want to make it in the center alignment, so go and then justify center, control E, the shortcut. I just click here to make it center, then increase the size like this. If you want to decrease the line spacing, so right here we have line spacing in the home panel. Just go there and then remove after the paragraph. Now you can see even you can make more shorter the line space, and then click here and like this. Color you want to change, bold, even you want to change the color like this. Now you can say 50% off offer. Now people can understand quickly that okay, it's 50% off we are getting, or we are getting benefit. And there is more shortcuts here, sorry, not shortcut, shapes here, like auto 3D box here. Click here on the box and then just draw. And if you want to take it in the color like this, and these are the shape style, you can change the shape style as you require, like this. These color and these theme you can apply on the Autoshape anytime. And if you want make it so simple, then it's okay, you don't need to apply all this. Other than you would go for the apply. So this is how you can add any auto shape in your Microsoft document to explain people things. And even you want to rotate it like this, 30 angle, flip, horizontal, vertical, and all changes you can get that. If I want make it more just like I want to steer, I want to make steer with this help of this shape. So just click here and then press Control button from the keyboard. As you can see the plus sign on the pointer, you can see, and then just push it on the top and just leave it. It will be a copy. And then second, same process, repeat again. Now you can see. Okay, so if you want to make a steer here like this, you can. Then just go to the auto shape and then auto shape here, and then go and just click here. I want to take a line and then just like this, line again, and then here click here and then made up. Now you can see. Okay, so this is how you can even make a steer on in Microsoft with the help of Autoshape. So if you don't want, so it's okay, other than do it. And then we have more Autoshapes like beige and all that, like this, vertical scroll like this. If you want to write any codes, okay, like if I want to write here, right click here and then write down. It's vertical, you can flip it vertical, horizontal, and any angle you want. Okay, so if you want to write something here, you can write, other than delete it and take some other auto shape like this. I want to make here, just click here and then auto text. Now you can see, hello, this is MS Word. We can put any type of auto shape here. So you can take and this, okay, auto shapes, okay, it's this small, and then you can even make it grammatically correct, and then line, remove the line, and you can color. If you want to make it a center, then go it, and then format to change the color, auto shape color. I would like to change this color. Now you can see a beautiful text you can put here in Microsoft Word. So this way you can put any sort of short auto shape in Microsoft Word to explain things more better and to understandable to other people. It's called multimedia, if you can say, using sort of medium to make people understand. And then star, okay, we have a star, so you can draw a star here and change color, more color, this type of, if you want to make this color like this. So hope you understand how easy we can use Autoshape in Microsoft Word. So hope you like this video. If you like, then share and subscribe. Thank you.